Just as I was about to give up, something deep inside, giving me a light, cruising into the unknown, losing my own control. I was sacrificed for a sense to survive. Every drop of my blood letting go of my insanity from within. Nothing can stop this dark hero. Make the beast on the loose. Devour anything that gets away. This could be the end of time. This could be the end of me. Not gonna pretend and let it fall to ashes. No, this could be the end of life. This could be the end of us. Just as I was about to give up, something deep inside, giving me a light, cruising into the unknown, losing my own control. I was sacrificed for a sense to survive. Every drop of my blood letting go of my insanity from within. Is this how we are meant to be? Is this everything we've been longing for? Just as I was about to give up, something deep